So yes, actions are a part of Iman. Yes, actions, you have to prove with your actions, not just your intentions. Yes, stop saying, oh, he intended good, he had good intentions. We say that all the time. It's okay, the brother is fine, so he has good intentions. Stop saying, I love Allah and the Messenger in the heart, and you have no actions. Stop saying it. Because then you're nothing but a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite because you got no actions. A hypocrite is someone who said, I love Allah and the Messenger, but they actually disproved it with their actions. Yeah? And that is why, ya ikhwati, stop saying, oh no, but I have good intentions in the heart. People say this all the time, I intended good. Who cares you intended good? And that's why Shaykhul Islam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, he said, the path to Jahannam is paved with good intentions. He says the path to Jahannam is paved with good intentions. That's true. Because everyone who tried to do good, who tried to do what they did, had good intentions. Oh, I'm only taking riba because I want to get richer so I can give more zakat. Yeah, or I can look after my family. Good intention. Good intention. But you took riba in the process. Yeah? So the point of the matter is, ya ikhwati, remember this, ya ikhwa. The path to Jahannam is paved with good intention. So your actions are extremely important. Your actions must match the rhetoric that you say you have in your heart.